use 26 to 24 gauge metal for standard painted flashings and 22 gauge where heavy-duty or coastal exposure demands greater stiffness. For durable painted metal flashings, choose gauge based on span and exposure rather than aesthetics alone. Measure the unsupported span first, and when it exceeds about 4 inches, use a heavier gauge to prevent oil canning. Always hem raw edges to add a 1/4 inch stiffening lip and reduce cut edge corrosion. A simple rollover of the edge with tin snips and a hammer shrinker will do this without special machinery. Select a corrosion-resistant substrate that matches the environment, for example, galvanized steel for general use, stainless steel for severe marine exposure, and aluminum where compatibility with adjacent materials, and lightweight matter. When painting, clean and prime the metal with a metal-compatible primer and apply paint in thin coats to avoid runs that trap moisture under the film. Finally, fasten with neoprene-backed fasteners and allow for thermal movement by using slotted holes or short-face screws set with butyl or closed-cell foam backup to maintain a weather-tight seat. Common mistakes start with picking a gauge that is too light, which leads to oil canning and deformation. Using a heavier gauge appropriate to span and exposure fixes this. Another frequent issue is leaving unfinished cut edges that corrode under paint. Hem the edges and treat cut edges with a zinc-rich or compatible edge primer to stop corrosion. A third problem is rigid fastening that does not allow thermal expansion and contraction and causes fastener pop or paint cracking. Instead, use slotted holes, neoprene washers, and leave small movement gaps wherever the flashing butts against rigid substrates. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors get work by listing their services. We also host a discussion community where members share real-world installation tips and gauge experiences with painted flashings so you can learn from peers and pros.